Everyone, we are from Group 2 and we will be presenting about computer networks. Before we start, let me introduce you to our members. This one is me, myself. My name is Muhammad Akil Daniel bin Muhammad Firdaus, but you can call me Akil. Next one, we have Kismina Fahardani, but you can call her Kismina. And the last one, we have Nurdini Hadani, but you can call her Dini. Before we get to know more about computer network, let's start with what is computer network. So computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices, such as computers or even smartphones, to enable sharing of data, application, and other resources. Let's look at some of the overview about computer network. So the first one is a computer network consists of interconnected nodes that share data and resources. It also allows devices to communicate through guidelines called protocols to ensure proper data transfer. And it also has connection can be made via cables, optical fiber, or even wireless signal. So next, we will look at some of the key components about computer network. So the first one, we have hardware components, which consists of network interface cards and ICs, switches, routers, hubs, and also cables and connectors. As for software components, for example, we have network operating system, NOS, network protocols, and lastly, network services. Whereas for communication protocol layer, we have network access layer, internet layer, transport layer, and lastly, application layer.
So now we're going to continue with the types of computer network. So what are the types of computer network? There are 8 types of computer network, which is personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, virtual private network, and also some of the other specialized network. Computer network are classified based on their geographical coverage and purposes. So first, the personal area network. It is the smallest network type within range 1 meter to 10 meter, and it uses Bluetooth to connect personal devices. Next, we have the local area network, which is LAN. It uses to connect devices within a limited area, and then it uses Wi-Fi and Ethernet to offer a high data transfer speed. After that, we have the wireless local area network. It uses wireless technology to connect devices, and it also uses mobility and flexibility within the network coverage area. And then we have the campus network area. It is usually used in multiple buildings in a campus-like environment. It also uses Ethernet and covers a few kilometers. Next, we're going to move on to metropolitan area network. It covers a city or metropolitan area. It is usually used by city government or large organization to connect various locations. And then we have the wide area network. It also covers large geographical area, and it is also used by governments or large businesses to manage data across location. The second last is virtual private network, which is VPN. It uses public network to create a secure private network. It uses encryption and security mechanism to have authorized access. And lastly, we have other special network, which I will give one example, which is a system area network. It connects high performance computers within data centers. Moving on, we have the network topologies. We have 7 types, which is the bus, star, ring, mesh, tree, hybrid, and last point-to-point topology. The bus topology is when all devices are connected to a single central bus, and if the cable fails, the entire network will go down. It is suitable for small networks, but it can suffer from data collision as more devices are added. Next, we have the star topology. It is when devices are connected individually to a central hub, and then it is easy to add or remove a device, but the central topology is a critical point of failure. So this kind of topology commonly found in home or office network. And then we have the ring topology. This is where devices are connected in a circular loop, so the data always circulate in one flow. This topology offers a predictable data flow, but if one device fails, the whole network can be disrupted. Next, we have the mesh topology. This is where every device connects directly to every other device, providing multiple paths for the data to flow. This is highly reliable and fault tolerant. Unfortunately, this topology is very expensive and complex to maintain. Moving on, we have the tree topology. This combines aspects of star and bus topology in hierarchical structure. It is scalable and suitable for large networks such as campuses. And then, but a failure at the backbone can affect the branches. Second last is the hybrid topology. This unique topology is a combination of 2 or more different topologies. For example, we have the ring topology combined with the star topology. It is to leverage advantages to achieve a network design tailored to specific needs. Lastly, we have the point-to-point topology. This topology is in the simplest form because it has direct communication between 2 nodes, and it is often used in a dedicated or the security system connection.
Hi, next I'm going to talk about the importance and the examples of computer networking. For the importance of computer networking, there are so many importance of computer networking, but I provided you with 3 best importance of computer networking. For the first one is for communication and collaboration. It enables fast communication through emails, messaging, video conferencing, and collaborative platforms, connecting people locally and globally. For the second point is resource sharing. Networking allows multiple users to share hardware, such as printers, storage, server, and software application efficiently, reducing cost and duplication. For the third one is data access and management. Networking provides centralized access to data, making it easier to store, retrieve, backup, and secure information, while ensuring consistency and reliability. Okay, for the examples of computer networking, also there are so many examples of computer networking, but I provide you only 4 examples of computer networking. So for the first one is LAN, which is local area network. So home network, LAN, which is your Wi-Fi at home, connects phones, laptops, smart TVs, and printers so they can share the same internet connection. Okay. For the second one is MAN, which is Metropolitan Area Network. So in a school or office network, we usually will use MAN or LAN. In a school, all the classroom computers are connected to the school server to access files, printers, and the internet. In office, the employees share documents, printers, and emails through a centralized network. For the third one is WAN, which is Wide Area Network, is the largest example of networking. It connects millions of computers worldwide through server, routers, and cables. For the last one is social networking platform. Social networking platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok are built on computer networks that connects users globally.